Goldfinch started in 2014.
We're very focused on proteinuric diseases particularly, and for patients with nephrotic syndrome.
There is a large unmet need for our patients with kidney disease.
Goldfinch strongly believes in bringing a renaissance to the treatment of patients with kidney disease.
The work that's been done by Goldfinch and its founders has been focused up to now on the podocyte, which is a very important cell in the filtering unit of the kidney.
And not every patient with FSGS or minimal change disease or IgA is the same. There are different drivers of that disease, and Goldfinch is undertaking an ambitious project in order to understand what is driving the disease in individual patients.
Combining human genetics with human cellular systems to find treatments for patients with kidney disease.
We want to give the right drug to the
right patient at the right time.
And this is really precision medicine.
The opportunity for finding new therapies and understanding the diseases better is exponentially increasing.
We are starting our clinical trial with the TRPC5 inhibitor.
It's called GFB 887, that's the name that we have here. It'll have a more formal name as we go through the development process.
We've asked FDA for permission to begin using the drug in people and test the drug for safety, and more importantly to see how well the drug gets into the bloodstream or gets to the kidney.
And the idea is that TRPC5 is a channel. It allows calcium and other cations into the podocyte. The podocyte is that key filtration barrier that is critical for the health of the kidney. And when that podocyte is injured or destroyed, you lose protein into the urine.
When you understand the genetics, you can see what goes wrong, which target, which protein, which pathway goes wrong. And by knowing that, you can then find a medicine which shuts down specifically this pathway.
Basically, all these different images and then recombines them mathematically.
Human genetics, human target validation, confirming those drug targets are real and likely to be relevant for patients with kidney disease, and also a precision medicine approach, selecting patients most likely to respond.
Ever since I was in medical school in the 80s, we always said, let's make podocyte protective drugs. We now know much more about the genetics, about the biology. We have this human stem cell tool. Now it's time that the whole community comes together.
You are no longer neglected. We and other companies are here to bring normalcy back to a chaotic journey that you've had.